What I loved most about Rev was the community and the camaraderie that it creates. I mean, sometimes you're working out super early in the morning and sometimes really late at night when it's the end of your day, and you need that support. You need those teammates to push you to do one more rep, or to pedal a little faster, or to drop and do 5 more burpees when you think you can't possibly do one more. That's the kind of encouragement that I found most rewarding, and it's something that I don't think you can find on a fitness floor when you're working out by yourself. And in a large group X class, it's hard to find it there, and you definitely can't find it in a class that you're doing from your TV at home. It comes from building that community together and being there for each other and having a community that's all about like-minded people. And you're all here for one goal, and it's to be your best selves, be your healthiest, most happiest self. And Rev will help get you there.